Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the ASUS Chromebook CX15, and before you make a choice on your next laptop, you absolutely need to watch this comprehensive review. We've done extensive research on this device and I'll share everything you need to know, plus there's a link to the best price in the description below. So you clicked on this video to learn about the ASUS Chromebook CX15 and whether it's worth your investment. We'll cover everything from price, performance, daily usage scenarios, and real-world application. Let's dive right in and get started. The ASUS Chromebook CX15 stands out immediately with its class-leading 128 GB storage capacity paired with 8 GB of RAM, which is exceptional in the Chromebook category. At just $311.78, this device offers remarkable value for students, remote workers, and anyone seeking a reliable everyday laptop. The Intel Celeron N4500 processor ensures snappy performance for all your daily computing needs, from web browsing to document editing and media consumption. One of the most impressive features is the expansive 15.6-inch Full HD 1920x 1080 Nano Edge anti-glare display. The slim bezels create an immersive viewing experience while maintaining a compact chassis that weighs only 3.51 pounds. This combination of large screen real estate and ultra-portable design makes it perfect for professionals who need screen space for multitasking but don't want to sacrifice portability. ChromeOS delivers exceptional speed with boot times under 10 seconds, and the automatic updates ensure your system stays secure without any manual intervention. Additionally, ASUS includes incredible value with 3 months of Google One AI Premium plan featuring Gemini Advanced, 2 TB of cloud storage, and integration with Gmail and Docs. You also receive 3 months of YouTube Premium for ad-free entertainment. The ergonomic chiclet keyboard features a physical numeric keypad, making it outstanding for data entry and accounting work. This is particularly beneficial for students in business programs or professionals who frequently work with spreadsheets. The keyboard layout is intuitive and comfortable for extended typing sessions. Furthermore, the battery life is truly remarkable, delivering all-day performance whether you're working from a coffee shop or attending back-to-back classes. The device meets military-grade standard MEL STD 810H, ensuring durability that can withstand the rigors of daily use, accidental drops, and travel. The built-in Google Apps ecosystem means you're productive right out of the box with Gmail, Google Docs, Photos, and YouTube pre-installed. This seamless integration is perfect for users already invested in Google's ecosystem or educational institutions using Google Workspace. However, one notable downside some users may find is the Intel Celeron processor's limitations when handling intensive multitasking or running Android apps that require more processing power. While it's perfectly adequate for everyday tasks, content creators or users who need to run demanding applications might find it restrictive. The anti-glare display technology significantly reduces eye strain during extended use, making it ideal for students pulling all-nighters or professionals working long hours. Moreover, the Nano Edge design maximizes screen space while keeping the overall footprint minimal, fitting easily in most backpacks and laptop bags. With its 4.4-star rating on Amazon, users consistently praise the exceptional value proposition, build quality, and battery life. The combination of ChromeOS efficiency and quality hardware creates a reliable computing experience that rarely disappoints. You got it. So that's it for the best budget Chromebook on the market for this year. Like this video if it helped, comment if you're gonna buy it, or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews.